Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have essentials, a Microsoft account and enough disk space. Start by signing in at Account, Microsoft. Com to verify licenses. This tells you whether you have Microsoft 365 or a perpetual license. Once signed in, go to Services and Subscriptions and locate Office. If you're on a corporate machine, open the company portal or Intune page instead so admins can push the package. Make sure your OS version meets requirements. Then choose the appropriate install source: Store, Web Installer, or Managed. Once you click Install Office from your account page, choose the correct account type: Personal or Work. If an architecture option appears, pick 64-bit for large files and advanced features. Pick 32-bit for legacy add-ins. For unreliable networks, download the offline ISO and mount it. Otherwise, run the small web installer which streams components. Close all Office apps, grant admin permissions when user account control asks, and let the installer complete. After progress hits 100%, sign in to activate and sync settings. Open Word or Excel and sign in with the same Microsoft account to activate. Check File, Account to confirm subscription and version. Once active, immediately run Update Now so you have security and feature updates. If something fails, use Settings Apps Modify Quick Repair. If that misses, choose Online Repair. Also sign out and back in and clear cached credentials via Credential Manager. If activation still fails, verify the license at Account, Microsoft.com, or contact your IT admin for managed deployments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.